Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Footprint Analytics YouTube channel. My name is Alex, and I'm the Community Manager here at Footprint Analytics. In this video, we will show you how to create a chart 3 different ways without having to do any SQL queries or coding. So at Footprint, we have a ton of different charts for you to choose from. Let me show you what kind we have. So apart from the usual tables, line charts, and pie charts, we also offer 16 different charts for you to use to help visualize your analytics, including sunburst, nested pies, rows, row race, dynamic pie, waterfall, circle charts, tree maps, and bubble charts. Using these different types of charts helps you give a more visual data analysis and helps let your data tell your users or your audience a story. Data on chain is very complex, and analysts often need to write thousands of lines of code to calculate a single metric. To address the high analytic threshold, Footprint cleans up and integrates on-chain data, giving businesses meaning to the data, which eliminates the need for users to write SQL queries or code to analyze blockchain data. Anyone can build their own custom charts in minutes with the rich charting interface and uncover blockchain data to discover the value trends behind projects. Here we will experience making our 3 different charts through templates, through duplicating a chart, and then from our data sets themselves. The first way I will show you how to make a chart with zero coding is by using a template to make a chart. So Footprint provides some common templates such as token price, TVL, etc. Using templates can save the step of filtering data. Okay, so let me show you here. Our first step is we go to create in the top right corner. We click on new chart. And from here, you'll see our different templates for you guys to use. So now let's use our TVL trend chart. So our TVL trend chart template is right here. So we click on this. Now the first step is to change the protocol slug. So right now the protocol is at curve. Let's change it to sushi swap. And after update, we have the TVL. Oh, here we go. Now we have the TVL distribution of sushi swap across the 7 selections. So here we go. And now we hit save. Protocol TVL for sushi swap. Hit click save. And we will just go like this. I don't need to share it. Don't need to add it to a dashboard. We're just creating a chart. And there it is. Now it'll be under My Analytics Protocol TVL Sushi Swap. The second way to make a table with zero coding is to duplicate a chart. So right now we've selected the chart we want to duplicate, which is the monthly number of gamers per chain. So what we do is we then duplicate this chart. We hit number of games per chain, save, duplicate, and now I have my duplicate chart. So from here, if we'd like to edit it, we go into edit, and then we can add chains if we want. We can add avalanche. We'll take out let's take out wax, add phantom, update. So this is just to show you examples of some of the ways we can edit the metrics in our dashboards by hitting on the filter button and changing the selections up here. So from here, now that we have our chart saved and done, we'll click save. And now, again, when we go to My Analytics, now I have the monthly number of games per chain. Okay, so the third and final way to create a chart with zero coding with Footprint is to actually go and use the data table itself. So our first step is we go to the top right corner where it says create, then we go to new chart. And from here, it'll bring you to the screen where you can see you can upload your data. We have the templates again. But if you look on the left side, this is where we've organized our data. We've parsed into different categories. So today, I'm going to make a volume chart of DeFi Kingdoms. So our first step is we go to GameFi, and then we click on GameFi Protocol Daily Stats. And then from here, you can see we have our protocols, but we have every single protocol. So what we do is we go to Filter, Protocol Name, and let's search up DeFi Kingdoms. Add Filter. Now we have our DeFi Kingdoms data here. So now to get the volume chart, next step is to go to Summarize, and we'll change it from Count to Sum of Volume, and we'll filter it by day. And now, just like that, we have our volume trend chart of DeFi Kingdoms by day. So we'll say done. And then you can see the different options we have if you want to visualize it differently than just a line chart. And then from here, we click Save. And let me turn this to volume trend DeFi Kingdoms. And there you go. We have now created a DeFi Kingdoms volume trend chart in minutes. And we go, like I said, back to here under My Analytics, you can see this chart right here. Now that's all for our video today, guys. If you enjoyed the video and you learned something new, then follow our YouTube channel and our Twitter at footprint_DeFi for updates and more ways to explore possibilities of blockchain data with us at Footprint. Again, you guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.